Miele Professional Laundry Solutions. Miele Professional Laundry Systems are German-engineered machines offering exceptional performance and durability. Imagine having a laundry system in your facility that can run continuously day after day with faster cycle times and no maintenance. A machine with a bearing designed for 25,000 to 30,000 operating hours that will last about 15 years if used 40 hours a week. Miele Professional offers this expert solution. Precision manufacturing and the use of premium quality components contribute to the speed, longevity, long-term economic benefits, and workflow advantages of Miele Professional Laundry Solutions. When you compare the purchase price of residential machines versus the price of a Miele Professional system, residential machines may seem less costly, but each year your costs increase because residential machines have to be replaced. Miele Professional systems are built to perform year after year without replacement. Residential washers and dryers are not synchronized. Drying times are longer than wash cycles, resulting in delays, and wet laundry is backed up, waiting to go into the dryer. But Miele Professional systems are synchronized at a high speed. Drying times are just as short as the wash cycles. The workflow advantages are huge because washed laundry is dried immediately without having to wait for a dry cycle to complete. Miele Professional washers have onboard heaters to rapidly heat the water to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for high-temperature sanitization and a variety of disinfection programs. The heating elements quickly achieve higher temperatures than domestic machines, allowing for a faster workflow. A speedy, synchronized wash and dry workflow is possible because Miele Professional washers offer the highest spin speed of any washer on the market. High G-forces reduce drying time by 25 to 50%, and the soft-mounted drums are suspended on shock absorbers and springs, allowing for the highest water extraction speeds, low vibration, and high durability. Residual moisture is the amount of water left in the garment after the final spin in the washer. High spin speed washers can cut energy costs by 65% by significantly reducing residual moisture, resulting in much faster drying times. Residual moisture sensors located on the ribs inside of the dryer drum make drying extremely efficient. The sensor measures conductivity between the body of the drum and the sensor electrodes to dry laundry perfectly. Once the laundry is dry, the dryer automatically turns off, saving time and energy. Dual motors further reduce energy consumption and time, and the extra-large lint filter needs only be changed once a day. Miele laundry solutions are available in two primary models, Little Giant and Octoplus. Both are rugged, heavy-duty machines with the highest G-force on the market. The compact Little Giant is stackable and has a 15-pound capacity, or about 10 soiled towels. Octoplus can be configured side by side, has 20 to 45-pound capacity depending on the model, or about 15 soiled towels. Miele Professional Laundry Systems